Hello audience, welcome to Afolat Tutors. In this video, we'll look further on the features of a typical word processing environment using Microsoft Office Word as an example. Now, we already discussed that the Quick Office is used to access commands that are hidden, like open, save, print, and others. So these are the commands you can access under the Office button. So also, we have already discussed on what a title bar is. This title bar gives information on the name of the application, which is Microsoft Word, then the name of the document, document 1. If we rename this document, the name will appear here under document 1, right? We also have look at the various menu bar. The menu bar contains commands that allow the user to insert features. You can edit with these commands, you can format documents, and you can do so many other things. Then we have the text area. This text area is used to create and preview documents. Then we have the status bar. This status bar gives you information about the page you are working on. So this is page 1 of 1, and it also shows you the number of words. Now the number of words here is 0 because you haven't typed anything. Now this is called a cursor. This blinking cursor appears on the text area. So when you type, it appears where, if you type now, whatever you type appears here. So let's assume I'm typing Microsoft Word. If you observe here, the number of words is 2. So as you are typing, this keeps track of the number of words you are typing, which appears under the status bar. Then we have the task bar. This is the task bar. So the task bar usually displays all applications you are working on. So whenever a document is minimized, it can be restored from the what? Task bar. It also shows the start menu and the system time on some other information like the battery and other things. Now let's look at ways of opening a new document. Before we do that, let's save this document. To save, you go to the Quick Office, you click, then you click Save. So I would like to save this as Microsoft Word 1. Then I would like to save on the desktop. You come to the scroll here, you choose desktop, right? Then here you now click Save. Then you can see automatically the name here has changed to MS Word 1. As I said earlier, that the title bar keeps track of the name of the document you are currently working on and the name of your application. So now let's quickly look at how to close the document. To close the document, you go to the close button, the Quick Office button, then you choose close. Then you go to the Quick Office again. You can open a new document or you open your recent document, which is MS Word 1. Is it clear? So let's close this, then we open a new document. You go to the new, then to open a new document, then you can click create. So we'll stop here. In our next video we'll look more on this. Thank you.